how to start a transaction online and finish it on a physical terminal. The first step is to go to Device Management. Once your merchant device is set up, click on the EPI and select Edit Parameters. Next, navigate to the Terminal and Transaction section, and then to the Valor Connect subcategory. In the Cloud section, you can set a Valor Connect countdown to limit how long the transaction is active on the terminal, which reduces exposure. And, on Android terminals, enable menu options so the connection isn't lost mid-sale. You can also display the terminal's default screen with the IP address, require the invoice number to be entered in the virtual terminal before handoff, and activate enhanced retry logic in case of a failed attempt. Once all settings are configured, download the parameter changes to the device. These changes will reflect in the merchant's virtual terminal. After logging into the virtual terminal, you'll see a Valor Connect checkbox in the top right. Selecting it opens a drop-down that lists available devices. These could be in different locations or used by different delivery drivers. Below that, you'll see a device connected to Valor Connect, ready for a transaction. Let's go ahead and select this EPI. Now, add a line item to the transaction and apply any modifiers. Enter the required phone number, and we're ready to hand off the transaction to the terminal. When we hit Process Payment, you'll see the product details, totals, and a prompt to proceed appear on the terminal screen. On the terminal, tap Proceed, confirm Yes, enter the customer's last name for QuickBooks, and present the card. The card is processed, a signature is captured, and the receipt is emailed. Once complete, the transaction will show up as completed in the portal with confirmation details. You can now close it out, and the device is ready for the next transaction. This is how Valor Connect enables you to send virtual terminal transactions to a physical terminal for card-present sales using Valor PayTech's integrated features.